Welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week, we are exploring how Organic Menopause Relief Tea is thoughtfully crafted with a synergistic blend of 5 powerful herbs, each known for their ability to ease discomfort and restore balance during this natural life transition. Here's a closer look at how each of these ingredients can support your well-being. Black Cohosh is one of the most researched herbs for menopausal symptom relief. It contains plant estrogens and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes and night sweats. Additionally, it supports hormonal balance and mood stabilization, making it a valuable herb for emotional well-being during menopause. Vitex Berries work through the pituitary gland to help balance progesterone and estrogen levels naturally. It's especially effective for women experiencing hormonal acne, mood swings, and irregular cycles around perimenopause. It may also ease breast tenderness and support overall endocrine function. Licorice Root contains phytoestrogens and compounds that mimic the body's own hormones, which may help regulate estrogen levels. It's also known for supporting adrenal function, which is key during menopause when stress levels can impact symptoms. Additionally, licorice may ease hot flashes and soothe dry skin. Sage has long been used to help with excessive sweating and temperature regulation, making it especially useful for hot flashes and night sweats. It's rich in antioxidants that protect the skin and may reduce inflammation. Sage may also have a mild mood-enhancing effect. Red Clover is rich in plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen. These compounds may reduce the severity of menopausal symptoms such as vaginal dryness, bone loss, and mood swings. Red Clover also supports heart health, which becomes increasingly important during postmenopause. Whether you're managing menopause symptoms or simply looking to support your overall wellness with a soothing, natural blend, Organic Menopause Relief Tea offers a delicious way to feel balanced and beautiful.